Hi everyone! Are you ready to take your English to the next level? In today's video, we're learning two of the most important tenses in English, the present simple and the present continuous. These tenses are the building blocks of daily conversations, and by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use them confidently. Plus, I've included a fun exercise at the end, so stick around. Let's start with the present simple. Here's how the verb looks with all pronouns. I work. You work. He works. She works. It works. We work. They work. Remember that. For most subjects, I, you, we, they, we use the base form of the verb, work. But with he, she, it, we add s. He works. For negatives, we use don't or doesn't. I don't work. She doesn't work. And for questions, we use do or does at the start. Do you work? Does he work? The present simple is used for 1. Habits, something you do regularly. For example, I drink mint tea every morning. He visits his family in the village every weekend. 2. Facts, something always true. For example, Morocco is famous for its couscous. The sun sets in the west. 3. Routines, actions you do at the same time. For example, she goes to the market every Friday. We pray 5 times a day. At the end of this video, you'll have an exercise to practice what you've just learned. Now, let's move to the present continuous. Here's how it looks with all pronouns. I am working. You are working. He is working. She is working. It is working. We are working. They are working. The rule is simple. Use the correct form of the verb to be am, is, are, plus the verb with ing. For negatives, just add not after the verb to be. For example, I am not working. They are not studying. For questions, move the verb to be to the front. For example, am I working? Is she cooking? Are they playing? The present continuous is used for 1. Actions happening right now. For example, I am drinking coffee. He is talking to his friend on the phone. 2. Temporary actions or situations. For example, they are staying in Marrakesh this week. She is learning how to make pastilla. 3. Future plans, informal. For example, we are visiting Chef Chowan tomorrow. I am meeting my cousin later today. Now, let's test what we've learned. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense. She, tea every morning. The answer is she drinks tea every morning. We, at my aunt's house this week. The answer is we are staying at my aunt's house this week. Ahmed, spicy food. The answer is Ahmed doesn't like spicy food. Great job, everyone! You've learned how to use the present simple and present continuous tenses, two of the most important tools for speaking English. Don't forget to practice. Write your own sentences in the comments below or try using these tenses in real conversations with friends or family. Make sure to like this video, share it with others who are learning English, and follow me for more lessons. In the next video, we'll dive into the past tenses. Stay tuned. See you soon!